Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.07. Identify the features to select. Begin entering pedestal dimensions by selecting features on the elevation pedestal sheet. A feature is defined by location and function on the fixture. The features are standard terminology and descriptions used in fixture design and construction. Choose the pedestal features by clicking buttons that start with DMNS. When switched to the project dimension sheet, enter the dimensions for the following 6 features. 1. DMNS SCTN _1 capital OA means dimensions section 1 overall. 2. DMNS SCTN _1 BASE means dimensions section 1 base. 3. DMNS SCTN _1 KICK LEG means dimensions section 1 kick/leg. 4. DMNS SCTN1 BSE GLS TP means dimensions section 1 base glass top. 5. DMNS SCTN1 DOR BSE AOR L LWR means dimensions section 1 base all or left lower. 6. DMNS SCTN1 SHLF BSE AOR L LWR means dimensions section 1 shelf base all or left lower. 2 sets of dimensions are entered for doors. First, the opening size. Second, the door panel size. For all of the entries, there is no specific sequence. This example 1.2.07 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.08.